So Christian seems very happy because it is Gia's birthday and Christian and Gia are walking around the Washington Monument and Christian has given Gia a birthday present which is a beautiful necklace. And Gia really likes the necklace and Kishan and Gia are very much in love with each other. Then Kishan and Gia come inside a big museum and get to see some beautiful art here. And Kishan is very hungry and Kishan finds the paintings in the museum very cool. And Kishan thinks who made so many beautiful paintings and Kishan and Gia are enjoying it very much. Then Kishan and Gia go back outside after visiting the whole museum and Kishan thinks the museum is very big and Gia really enjoys visiting the museum. Then Gia and Kishan go to a restaurant to eat and Gia is also served a birthday cake in the restaurant and the waiters also wish Gia a happy birthday. And Gia is feeling great and Gia is very grateful to all the waiters and Gia has enjoyed the little birthday party very much and then Kishan comes to the store to do some shopping and Gia also wants to do some shopping and in some time Kishan and Gia have finished shopping and Gia really like Kishan birthday surprise and Kishan has to give Gia another birthday present and Kishan and Gia are walking in the streets and they are feeling very cold and then they get in the car and they are very tired and Gia is very sleepy and then they go back home and Kishan says that someone rang the doorbell at 2 a.m. but Kishan does not see anyone outside and there is a present outside in the name of Gia and Kishan picks up the present and brings it inside the house and Kishan does not know who sent this present and the present also has Gia name on it and Kishan want to show Gia the present but Kishan does not have the heart to wake Gia up and according to Kishan Gia is sleeping happily and then Kishan tries to wake Gia up but Gia is in a deep sleep and then Kishan shows Gia the present which is found outside the door. And then Gia wakes up and Gia also does not know about the present. And Gia opens the present then she finds a note in the present and Gia get confused seeing the note. And there is nothing in the back except the note and then Gia reads all the notes and the note mentions all about Gia's birthday. And there is also a memory card chip with the note. And Kishan is afraid that this memory card may have a virus and Kishan is afraid to open this memory card and nothing is known about who sent the present for Gia.